Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Sharpskill, your go-to destination for WordPress tutorials and website customization tips. Today we are diving into the Ocean WP theme, a powerful and versatile WordPress theme loved by designers and developers alike. In this tutorial I will show you how to hide the page title and this sidebar and to make it like full width in Ocean WP, giving your website a sleek and modern look. Let's get started. So hello everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to hide the page title and make it full width in WordPress using the Ocean WP theme. This simple customization can give your website a cleaner and more professional appearance. Log into your WordPress website. So after log into your WordPress dashboard, then from the left hand menu navigate to the appearance and then customize. Once you are in the customizer, look for the option of journal options. And now it's time to hide the page title. And on the visibility, just select hide on all devices and this title will now be hide on all devices. Okay, so page title is now hidden on all devices and now it's time to make it full width. I do not want this right sidebar on my website, so for that go back in journal options, go to the journal setting and from here select the layout from right sidebar to full width. So now that's right sidebar is now hidden, like now removed. And after that hit the publish button to save your changes. Go back to your website, refresh the page and now that title and sidebar is removed and there you have it. You have successfully hidden the page title and made the content full width in WordPress using the Ocean WP theme. Go ahead and check out your website to see the changes in actions. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Sharpskill for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.